I'd like to talk a little bit about videos. I've always made videos. I see great value in making them. I learn more about my teaching. I learn more about my students. I learn more about my audience. And I learn more about myself. I become a better educator. And with practice, I became not half bad at making meaningful videos. So I invite you to join me and others to learn how to make not half bad videos. Welcome to Creating Videos to Transform Teaching and Learning. My name is Shane Watson, and here's how to find us.